Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how to use Couture stencils, transfers if you will, on metal. This is going to go down first. I'm going to do candy apple red on this, and then I'm going to have to let that dry. And then on top of that, layer 2, I'm going to use Storm. Since this is white, I went with Storm. And then for Life is on the Farm, let me move this real quick so you can get the picture. Life is Better on the Farm. I'm going to put that there, and I'm probably going to move the farm over just a little bit. So something like that. And then I'm probably going to come in with some ribbon and have it up here and do like a little bow up at the top somehow. Just going to get this right down at the bottom. We're going to fuzz it up and just start layering it down. So I'm probably going to speed this up, but you'll just kind of see how I'm working. I did not wax this beforehand, so we'll see how it goes. There you have it, super cute. So now I'm going to go ahead and quickly put a little bow together. I may like hot glue it right here, I'm not too sure yet. So I'll go ahead and do that really quickly. Just dry in between layers. It didn't peel anything up. I didn't pre-wax it. These are the ones, like I said, from Michaels, and I just love this design. Possibilities are endless with this. I mean, you could add some extra things here and there if you wanted to, but I really wanted to add this bow in here. So I've got my bow created here. Like I said, it's just using some plaid and some burlap. I get my ribbon from Hobby Lobby whenever it's 50% off, so it's like $2.50, $3, something like that. And then I use the Bow Dabra to make my bows, and I will do a video on that very soon. If you guys haven't seen it, this thing's been out since like the 80s. I just discovered it recently. Here's what the box looks like, just in case you're looking, and I'll leave it linked down below. I did purchase mine at Hobby Lobby. They were in the floral section for $15.99, and I used my 40% off coupon. But I will leave a link down to Amazon just in case. But if I was you, I would go ahead and make sure if Michael's or Joann's or Hobby Lobby has them, so you can use a coupon there as well. So all I'm going to do, I've got my cute little bow going on here, and I'm just going to tie that up here because there is this super cute little hanger here, and I'm just going to attach it there. And I just use this twine here to attach it with. I'm going to do that really quick. It's kind of hard to tell where my bow is sitting without it kind of hanging on the wall there. But if you wanted to, you could always have it kind of sitting here. You may have something kind of placed there. I just wanted to show you adding a bow on it, how much cuter that even makes it. So there it is. It's really easy to add the chalk onto the metal. Some pictures at the end of this video. I actually chalked up the front of my icebox, which was stainless steel. I did my oven, and I also did my microwave. And I can still wash my handles and all that stuff with my Clorox wipes, and then as soon as I'm ready, I can wash it off. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.